big girl. Are you feeding yourself? Are you eating the green beans? Yay! What a big girl. That's a big girl. Yay! Good job. Num num nummies. Be careful. What a big girl. Oh, good job. What a big girl, baby. Mommy's so proud of you. You almost ate all your green beans. There you go. You want to turn it around this way? No? Okay. Be careful. There you go.